In multiplying irrational expression, step 1, if the given is a monomial, okay, step 1, we need to cancel agad tayo. Cancel out or divide out any common factor. So, based on the given, meron ba tayong pwedeng i-cancel? Yes. What number? 15 and 30. Very good. Are both divisible by what? By 15. So, 15, diba? 30 divided by 15. This will become 2. How about 15 divided by 15? 1. Or another. Observe the given. 4 and? Very good. 4 and 6 are both divisible by? 2. Okay, so 4 divided by 2? How about 6 divided by 2? Next. Okay, now let us proceed by the variable. Do you think we have a common variable? What variable? C and B. B squared, B raised to 4. Saan mas mataas ang exponent? Numerator, denominator. Okay, B squared become 1. And then B raised to 4 become B squared because 4 minus 2 is 2. Then just copy the variable. Next, sa C na tayo. C squared C. Taas baba? Okay, magiging C and this is 1. Meron pa ba? Okay, do you think we can cancel 2 and 2? Yes. Okay, si 2 ay nasa numerator. Si 2 din ay nasa numerator. Sino lang ba ang pwede i-cancel? Numerator and denominator. O pwede ba i-cancel yan? Kung wala na, now last step is multiply the remaining factors. O what are those? 2 times 1. Times 2. Times C. Very good. 4C. Over. 3 times 1? 3 times 1. Times B squared. 3B squared. Therefore, this is the final answer. Question. Another example. Okay, we have x squared minus 9 over x multiplied by 4x over x minus 3. Okay, class. So, in multiplying irrational expression, step 1, factor the given polynomials if necessary. So, how many terms? 2. Okay, if the given polynomial is a binomial, so we can use the 3 method. First is difference of 2 squares. Second one is the GC, MF. The third one is sum and difference of 2 cube. Okay, kailan natin ginagamit si cube? Tingnan nyo yung exponent. 3 ba siya? So, meaning, cancel na agad si difference, o sum and difference of 2 cube. O, dalawa na lang ang choices natin. Si GCMF at si difference of 2 square. Tingnan natin si difference of 2 squares. The given is a binomial. Yes. There is a minus sign. Yes. Each term is a perfect square. Yes. What is the square root of x squared? X. Very good. Square root of 9? 3. Therefore, we can say that the given binomial is a perfect square. So what we're going to do is step 1, 2 parentheses. Inside the parentheses, write plus and very good, minus. Then get the square root. What is the square root of x squared? X. Square root of 9? 3. Okay, do you think we can factor x plus 2? Pwede pa ba siyang i-factor? No na po. Why? Because the given polynomial is a prime. How to identify if the given polynomial is a prime? O, check natin to. Ano yung numerical coefficient dito? 1. And this is 2. So, the only factor is what? 1 lang. Tama ba? At the same time, wala namang variable to. Kaya hindi siya factorable. What we're going to do? So, just bring down lang. Multiplied by 4x monomial lang to. So, bring down again. And this is also x minus 3 is also a prime. So, after getting the factors of the given polynomial, step 3, cancel out or divide out any common factor. So, sino yung common factor? X minus 3. Very good. Sino pa? May pwede pa ba i-cancel? Si 4 at 2 ba pwede i-cancel? Ilang term? Ito. Pwede ba i-cancel yung monomial at binomial? No. So, hindi mo pwede galawin yan. Sino pa? Meron pa ba? O kung wala na, step 3 na tayo. Multiply the remaining factor. So, sino natira dito? Dito. Okay, ilang terms? 2. Ito. Ano mauna? 1 o 2? Okay, mauna si 4x. Mauna lagi yung monomial. Followed by the binomial, x plus 3 over. Sino natira sa denominator? Okay, therefore, this is the Do you understand? Okay.